First of all, I welcome you all in this new era spoken classes, and today I want to tell you something about concentration. When a person want to learn anything, I can say that at that time they must be facing a lot of problem. So can you tell me what is that problem? So I will tell you that problem is concentration. When somebody is teaching you, you are not in concentration, you cannot understand anything easily because your mind is not work properly when you are not concentrate. When you are sitting on the when you are sitting on your place, and your teacher is teaching, and your teacher has taught you so many things, but after some time, after class over, when you are asked that what sir has taught you, then I can say your answer will be, if you are not in concentration, your answer will be that now I have forgotten all those things which sir have taught you. So do you know why is it so? I will tell you, because when you are learning, when you are understand, when you are getting, when you are sitting, at that time your mind is not concentrate. That's why you are not able to understand what has been taught by teacher, what has been taught by anyone who is teaching you. I can say that because everyone thinks that I can learn anything easily, but when he start learning, then if their mind is concentrate, then he can learn anything easily. But when his mind is not concentrate, then they cannot learn anything easily. At that time, they will face a lot of problem, like hesitation, and forgetting the thing easily, and they cannot feel confident. That kind of problem they face. If their mind is concentrated, then they can learn anything easily. Concentration is the biggest thing in your life, because this plays a crucial role in your life. This plays a important role in your life. This plays a significant role in your life. So be concentrate. I will tell you a small story that will clear you that how can a person be concentrate. Do you know that if a person is watching a movie, at that time their mind must be concentrate. If they watched all the movies till end, then when you will ask them, please tell me, please describe some about that story, I can say you definitely will describe that story. And if you are watching that movie anywhere again, then you will tell that story ahead. You will tell that what will happen after this. What will happen after this? Why is it so? Because at that time your mind is fully concentrated and your brain is active and your brain is working